Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very healthy snacks or breakfast recipe. You can say we are making quinoa rolls. These are very healthy and the rolls are made up of quinoa mix and we have used the filling of peas, carrots and corn. So to know how to make this, please follow the video. And ingredients required are quinoa batter. I will show you how to make quinoa batter at home. It just required 2 hours of soaking. Then I have few soaked quinoa. Then I am using filling, some hot sauce and cheese and butter, a little bit of butter. So first we will prepare the quinoa batter. For that I am taking 1 cup of quinoa and will soak this in water for about 2 hours. And after that we will make the batter of it. I will show you what else I have added inside the batter to make it more healthy and tasty. So for now we will soak this in water and keep it aside for 2 hours. And meanwhile we will prepare the filling. For filling I have taken a mix of peas, corns and carrot. These are frozen. If you are using fresh, you can boil them for about 5-10 minutes before using them to make little bit soft. And now in this I will add black pepper. So I am taking half teaspoon of black pepper, crushed black pepper, then half teaspoon of cumin seeds, roasted cumin seeds. And then in this I will add some white salt as per taste. So this is our filling, very quick and easy, no cooking required. Just mix everything all together. Because these are frozen, so we haven't cooked them, but if you are using the fresh peas, corns and carrot, you need to boil them for 5-10 minutes before making this filling. So our filling is ready. And after 2 hours our quinoa is also ready, nicely soaked. And now we will make the batter. So take a jar, mixing jar. Before that take 2 spoon or 1 spoon of quinoa and keep it aside. I will show you where to use that. And now take a jar and we need to make batter of it, quinoa batter. So take it out, remove the water as much as you can. Now in this we will add salt, black pepper powder and a teaspoon of all-purpose flour. So instead of all-purpose flour you can use gram flour as well. So and then I have used some coriander leaves and 3 to 4 green chilies and few mint leaves. And this all ingredients are optional, but this enhance this make it more flavorful. So if you add those, you will definitely like the quinoa rolls. And now we will make a smooth batter out of it. So see, our batter is ready. Take it out in a bowl. See how beautiful the color is, and this tastes amazing because of the coriander and Thai chilies and mint leaves. This tastes amazing. So we need this consistency. If your batter is thick, you can add water at this time, but for now we are good. So we have our filling ready and we have our 1 spoon quinoa as well ready. Take tawa or griddle. Once it's little bit hot, spread some butter, not much, just a little bit. And now we will spread our batter evenly. Now here is the trick. The quinoa we have taken out, the soaked quinoa, take it and spread it evenly at top of our spread batter. And now we will cover this and cook it for about 30 seconds. And now we will flip this. Now we will spread some hot sauce over it. If you don't want to use a hot sauce, you can use tomato ketchup or coriander chutney or any dip of your choice. Spread it evenly. And now we will place some cheese. And now we will add some filling. This is very easy recipe, very tasty and super healthy recipe if you are trying to lose weight or if you're on diet. So you can definitely make this. Now to close it, seal it, I'm using a little bit of batter, and now I will roll the quinoa, the spread we prepared, and now I will close it and seal it. Cooked from one side, now flip it and cook it from other side as well. You can cover it if you want. So our quinoa roll is ready, nicely done from both the side. Very quick recipe, very easy recipe. Now take this out and I will show you another one. So see how beautiful this is looking, and this is very yummy recipe. Must try. If you don't like quinoa, do try it. You will love the quinoa. From next time you would definitely going to have the quinoa rolls. So do try this. Now I'm repeating the process, spreading some butter, now spreading some batter. Now in this I will add some soaked quinoa on top. Spread it. And once this is cooked, we will flip it. Now flip it and repeat the process. Spread some hot sauce. Place some cheese. Add some filling. Good amount of filling. And you can change the filling as well. You can use boiled potato, you can use any other mixed veggies of your choice, or you can use avocado to make it more healthy. So it's depend upon your taste, whatever you like. So this is healthy and you can make it more flavorful. Basically you can customize it as per your choice, as per your taste. So this is very easy recipe. This is my version, but you can have your own version of quinoa rolls. And do give it a try. This is very healthy recipe. Quinoa is very high in protein, and if you are vegetarian you can definitely try this. So our quinoa rolls are ready. Serve this with green chutney or garlic dip, or you can have this with mayonnaise, whatever you like. So hope you like the recipe, and this is a very new recipe. Do give it a try and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.